Meaning of dystopia.
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 Dystopia. Dystopia refers to a fictional or hypothetical society that is characterized by oppressive or negative qualities, often resulting from totalitarian regimes, environmental disaster, or other types of catastrophic events. In a dystopian society, individuals are often stripped of their freedoms and subjected to various forms of control, surveillance, and manipulation by those in power. Such a society can be marked by widespread poverty, social unrest, and a lack of hope for the future. Overall, dystopias are often portrayed as cautionary tales warning against the dangers of unchecked power and societal decay.